It's raining. FSD is driving me to Best Buy in this rain. It says poor weather detected. FSD supervised may be degraded due to the poor weather. It's doing fine. Doing really fine. Doing really fine. Doing really fine. Yep. An update is coming. That is gonna peak. I mean, the vehicle is gonna peak. Pre-select where it's gonna park when you get to your destination. That's gonna be awesome, though. It's gonna be a really cool update to see. Yeah, Elon Musk tweeted about it. It's raining, guys. And FSD is driving awesome and great. Hey, 2026. You don't have to drive to where you want to go. Your car can drive you anywhere you want to go. This is awesome, guys. You can't beat this. It's raining. If you got a child that's scared to drive in the rain, FSD gonna take care of him or her. FSD got it. It's raining like cats and dog. Raining really bad. Just lightning. Just saw some lightning. Yeah, it's raining bad. You know what? FSD is handling it. Yep. FSD is handling it. Driving really nice. Yep. FSD got this. It's raining like crazy. And I still haven't touched the steering wheel or the brake. FSD got it. The future is here, guys. And you know what? It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get really better. With time, it's gonna get really better. If my car can do this, just imagine what the next 5 years is gonna be like with Tesla. Hey guys, Tesla is the future, guys. It is. Okay. Okay. He walked. Go forward a little bit. Hey, don't you guys want one? Oh, yeah. You see? Okay. He came to me. I'll try to make it. Yeah, I'll try to make a video. I done made it too. Yeah, I made it too. Oh my goodness, I like this. Yeah, I know. That's cool, man. I mean, came and picked me up from Best Buy. Everybody was surprised that the car came. There was nobody in there. That's cool, guys. That's cool. They couldn't believe it. They said, "Where's the driver?" I said, "There's no driver in there."